Hi, my name is Nick Spondike. I'm the Director of Research and Development and Corporate Executive Chef here at Kronos Foods. We're the leading manufacturer of premium gyros cones and other Mediterranean-inspired foods. Today, I will take you through the proper techniques for handling, cooking, and slicing our gyros cones in order to provide the best taste, texture, and appearance. Kronos gyros cones are uncooked, so safe handling practices are of the utmost importance. Frequent hand washing and proper cooking and handling are two of the most important things you can do to ensure the health of your customers. Prior to unpacking the gyro cone, ensure the drip pan is in place and that the cotter pin is adjusted for use with the size of the cone being cooked. This limits how far the plate will go down the spit and ensures the cone is centered on the heating element for even cooking. With gloves on, remove the frozen cone from the box and bag. Thread the pointed end of the skewer through the metal plate and then through the narrow end of the gyro cone. Place the plated side in the center of the hole of the drip pan and rest the top end of the skewer in between the grooves. The angle of the skewer must be straight up and down, parallel to the heating elements. Prior to turning on the heat, switch on the rotating motor so the cone starts spinning before cooking. Then, turn the burners on high. Once the outside layer of the cone is browned, take the temperature of the cone in 3 separate places, at the top, center, and bottom. Make sure the thermometer is inserted to a depth of 1/4 inch. The temperature must be a minimum of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the minimum temperature required has been verified, place the catch pan at the bottom of the cone to stop the spinning while you slice the meat. Holding your 14-inch sharpened knife at a severe angle, approximately 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock, begin slicing back and forth as thin as possible. Carve the gyros into 3 or 4-inch long slices. Ensure you are not slicing too deep so you don't touch the uncooked portion of the cone. Slice thickness must not exceed 1/8 of an inch. Move your way around the cone using the same back and forth thin vertical slicing motion. The broiler needs to be kept running the entire time and not shut off for extensive lengths during slow times. Heating the product consistently from beginning to end will ensure the highest product quality and proper yield. Cooked slices may also be refrigerated for later use and reheated on a grill or in an oven before serving. If you intend to refrigerate your cooked gyro slices, you must do the following. Place freshly cooked slices in a clean hotel tray with the slices no more than 2 inches deep. Transfer the pan of gyro slices into the cooler or refrigerator as quickly as possible. Do not let the food sit at room temperature for more than 15 minutes. Do not cover or stack pans of cut gyros meat. Air must be allowed to circulate during the cooling process. Tightly cover the gyro slices once they have cooled to a temperature of 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below. You may combine the meat from several pans if all pans have reached a safe temperature. At the end of the day, if you have a partially cooked cone, you may remove it by carefully removing the cone, which is still on the skewer, and placing it in a shallow pan or hotel tray. Leaving the cone uncovered, place in the freezer until cool. Once the cone has reached a safe temperature of less than 40 degrees Fahrenheit, cover it tightly with plastic wrap and aluminum foil. This cone should be the first cooked on the vertical broiler for next day's service. Your gyro cone slicing knife and catch pan must be regularly cleaned and sanitized throughout the day in between slicing. At the end of service, the vertical broiler, knives, meat shovel, and skewer must be thoroughly washed, rinsed, and sanitized. I hope you found this video useful. If you need further information, please visit our website or call our 1-800 number. Thank you for your time.